welcome. Today in front of me Realme C25Y, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings tab, go to the sound section, and right there you get the ringtone notification volume section. Just to change your ringtone volume, swipe with your finger to the left or to the right. So that's how it looks. And the second way is just by pressing with your finger here to the up or to the down volume button, and also you can change it by just tapping here on the settings icon and swapping with your finger here this dot to the left or to the right side. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.